Hey guys, my name is Daniel. I just wanted to share my experience with the Stop Snoring exercise program. Although I've been using the program for less than a week, I've already noticed a huge improvement. I wake up every day before my alarm rings, feeling rested, energetic, motivated, and clear. I seem to see significantly less sleep, and my dreams when I remember them are much calmer. In fact, the day following the first night I used the program, I woke up feeling better than I had in close to 28 years. One of the main reasons that I'm for the program, aside from waking up feeling crummy, was that I was falling asleep uncontrollably during meetings and after meals. Now this problem has been helped by the program. I'm practicing 7 to 12 minutes on most days, and I always do at least the basic 3 minutes. This works for me, and I am very happy with the results. Definitely check it out.